Hello everyone. This video will be a guide to complete your topic 2, and you can see on the screen topic 2 is motivation and emotion. We are having 6 KPIs in this one from 2.1 till 2.6, and the task to be completed for the evidence is a presentation. Groups must not exceed 4 students per group, and this task, making the groups, has been done almost. You did it already. You highlighted the colors and selected your groups. Some others will be auto arranged into groups. Now, moving to the task, how you have to complete this task. Make sure that you work in group, and you can divide the group as you want, like who will complete 2.1, 2.2, and so on. This is a sample for you. We have created a sample for you where you will be having a sample presentation which will be shared with you today by email, also in the Teams. You can download it, change the backgrounds and whatsoever. So you will make a table for your group members. Make sure you enter the name that you have in this list and the ID also that you have in this list. So you will enter the name, you will enter the ID, and one more thing, I'm going to say that you will enter the role of each student. Okay, role in presentation. So like, what is your role? Are you a timekeeper, or you are editor, or you are collecting data? Let's say student X, and ID is 123, and he did, let's say, KPI 2.1 and 2.2, let's say. Okay, and who will be the leader, let's say, or maybe he is leader himself. You will mention leader and so on. Then make sure you go through these rubrics. These are the rubric which you are preparing the presentation in home as a self-study, and this is the rubric how you will be graded. And then you will present the same presentation in the class in the given time. So you have to follow how to get the best marks. So presentation is actually divided into two halves. These are the KPIs. We added the slide with the KPI and left 2 slides blank. You can gather the data to upload the information over here. Now, how to get this information? You can go back to this KPI, describe intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. You know that this is a knowledge base, so you don't need to go into more details. Just like general information about intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. But if you have application, so you have to put the guidelines and tell that how you will use these guidelines in your daily life to express emotions in a healthy way. So you have to put more examples in application. You can get the text for this one, images to support your KPI, newsletters, hospital reports, videos, so you can create your own video or a video already created. You can do all this in case of supporting your KPI. Whatever data you find, just go over here related to here and enter your data here. Okay, and same, you want to add more slides, you can add. You want to delete, you can, as you want. Okay, it's all up to you. But there are 6 KPIs already placed for you. This sample template will be shared with you. Now the last thing, from where to get the information related to this one, we are going to share one PDF file with you. You can see this PDF file, chapter 9, motivation and emotion, and we have over here the KPIs listed. And then the first KPI says that describe intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. So keep searching in the document. You can search into the document, and it says over here, define intrinsic and extrinsic theories, motivation. So you can, what is motivation, what is intrinsic motivation, what is extrinsic motivation. But remember that, please, no copy paste. If it is only copy paste, you will get less marks. So you have to search more. For example, this picture is given over here for intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. You can go surf and get a different picture related to this one, different example. They say example this one. Okay, they say example these. You can think of different examples. The same way you can find all these KPIs in this document. Okay, this is a resource document for you, but again, no copy paste. Thank you so much. I hope that you will complete the task in time. And if there is any problem, feel free to reply in the Teams, by email, ask questions. You are more than welcome. Wish you all the best for your topic 2 presentation, that is about motivation and emotion. Good luck.